how to duplicate page in WordPress. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is a widely used open source content management system which offers a user friendly interface allowing both for technical and non technical users to create, customize, and update content with ease through its intuitive dashboard. So, now to proceed, all you need to do is simply sign in your account on WordPress in here, and after that, you'll be able to navigate some of the options on the left side panel in here. If your dashboard, posts, media, pages, and many more. And to start duplicating a pages on your WordPress, you can simply install or add a new plugins in here. By clicking these plugins, we can start adding by going to the search bar in here and search for this duplicate page. And upon searching of this one, we'll automatically see here all of the result below and just click this duplicate page that has more than 3 million active installations in here. So just click this install now button, and after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply activate it by clicking this activate button right here. And upon doing so, you will now be able to see here or to be directed on this page right here, which means you already install the duplicate page in here. And below it will show you, if you click on the left side panel, the option which is, for example, this post. And on the list in here, if we try to click this one, it will show us the option to duplicate this, since we already added the duplicate page plugins that we just add in our WordPress. But if we try to click these pages right here, it will show us that we can also do the same process of duplicating this one. By clicking this duplicate this option, it will show us that we have now successfully duplicated a page of this contact us pages. You could also click the settings right here and it will show you this duplicate page option right here, where you can show you that you can choose an editor, duplicate post status, and many more. So basically, that is just how you can start duplicating page in WordPress by simply installing the plugins.